No, it's always a good thing to ask questions. Okay. And we'll go through a handful of questions that I got this morning. Okay. And I'd like to answer them right now. So, thanks guys for watching my videos, and let's learn a little bit about this Save Club thing. Okay. All right. Now, how to promote your business. I'm a big fan of just inviting people to a link that's already set up by the company. Okay. And you got to do it a few ways so that you don't get caught email spamming or going into junk mail or just kind of being obnoxious and irritating. Because if you come off that way, people, they're not going to want to join, even if they really, really could use Save Club. Okay. A lot of it has to do with, could be your attitude. Are you smiling? Are you just talking with enthusiasm? And if you're like, no, I'm grouchy, I'm completely retired. All right, I want to smack people, I guess, who walk across my lawn when they're. I mean, it's just I deal with all kinds of personality, okay, and levels of success. Or are you depressed because you've tried so many things online and you're down on yourself? Okay, I get it. When I do this business, you can watch a video where I'll just be upbeat and dress up and sunshine day. Okay, guys, just be yourself. If you're tired and grouchy, tell people. If you don't mind, even if you're typing a message, I'm grouchy, my coffee sucks, my back aches, but I want you to look into Save Club. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. Bye. I mean, someone will get that message going. Boy, that's the most brutally honest message. Sounds like my grandpa when I go visit him and he's in a robe. He's sitting there and his dingleberries are hanging that far down from his chair. And he's just sitting there with a newspaper wanting to smack people. And there's no people. He's just going like this because he thinks people are attacking his sack and his chair. Okay. But anyway, just relax. Okay. First of all, just relax. In 2025, the more real you are, it's just more acceptable. Back in the 70s, 80s, 90s, even maybe even 5, 10 years ago. Okay, faking it to make it, have energy, have enthusiasm, dress up and just kiss massive ass, get so much chapstick that you got to go through 5 tubes of it a week. I just don't believe you have to do that anymore, and I'm living proof of it. If you watch any of my videos, thousands and thousands I've made just in the last couple of years, but probably 10, 20,000 over the last 10, 15 years. I mean, I love video. It helps me out a lot. But if I do have a bad day or a good day, or if I have like a thing coming out my nose, yeah, I'm just going to go like this and I'm going to deal with it. And then I'm just going to wipe it in my ear and I'll deal with it after the video. Maybe, or maybe I'll just pick it out and I'll just, I don't know, put it under my arm. Okay. But relax. Even if you stutter, even if you don't know what you're talking about, you have notes in front of you. Let's see, here's some notes. Where's our biggest signups right now? Look at that. Singapore, Philippines, Australia, China, India, and the UK. All outside of America. So with my little Post-it notes, there's a blank side. Maybe you want to put a couple topics like this video is about how to recruit. How about in Singapore? First of all, learn how to spell it. Second of all, where's it at? Third, should I just speak in English or find software that will take my voice and convert it to different languages? All right. Could be Chinese. Could be Japanese. It could be, oh my gosh, can I speak Japanese? Wouldn't that be funny? Can I speak just Spanish? Living in America, it's a second language here, but I still only know like 3 or 5 words of Espanol. But with software, I can take this video and make my voice speak in a different language and all my closed captions below. So if I'm speaking in English now, it's nice to know that you can convert your videos to an area that might be kicking butt, like Singapore, like Malaysia. Okay? Why not? All right? Obviously, I probably come off as an American. All right? I was born in California. I've lived in the gorgeous state of Utah for a long time now. I love it here. But if I want to grow my business, and this is a worldwide thing, with Save Club, this just isn't like 9 to 5 in a 5-mile circle, like if you own just a normal restaurant in your neck of the woods. All right, you'd like to kind of specialize within a 5 mile circle of your neighborhood and hand out coupons, mailers, do whatever you can to get people in there regularly. And you know that, if you're open from, let's say, noon till 10 at night, okay, that you know what your income is. You know how many employees, air conditioning, heat, labor, how much is food in order to sell it, okay? You know pretty well how much it's going to take to do this and to do that, okay? But when you come to the realization that you can make money while you're sleeping on the whole planet, like right now on the opposite side of me, where I'm sitting, if I drilled a hole straight down, I'd go right into Australia. And it'd be winter there because it's almost summer here. All right, I'd see all the smoking hot girls there on the beach going, man, it's cold. I want to come where you are, Cory. And I'm like, well, you have to crawl through the earth and come up where I'm at here because we're going into summer. And then hopefully the earth will just stay. So when it's cold here, I can just, that hole they drilled, I can just like jump and go all the way down to Australia and enjoy their sun. Okay. I didn't know that I could really reach that far just by making a video like this, going on even Instagram or Facebook. They find me. I have people all the time just saying, hey, I'm in China. I can't believe the videos you do. I have one guy, he lives in, I think, is it Ghana? I can't remember. Oh, no, Tasmania. He's like, guys, we really don't have long hair and tattoos and shorts where we live. Then he sees, like, I put my hair is pretty long. It goes all the way down my back. He's like, yeah, that long hair. And yeah, if you visited, you might have to like trim your beard, cover all your tattoos up, get a haircut. You might have to wear pants. And I'm like, I don't think I'm coming to visit you. I don't even wear pants. And I can't cut my hair, man. It just falls out on its own. And every shirt I get, I'm like Larry the Cable Guy, except I'm older than him. I've been cutting sleeves off my shirts since the 70s. I just love it. I mean, I do have shirts that, but man, I just love these $6 Walmart shirts that match my pink mama hat. But if you told me I could make money just sitting here chatting with you folks and reach planet Earth 24 hours a day and meet nice people too, a lot of people that promote any business online, they never really bring up the people. And I'm telling you straight up, and you can tell I'm a talker. That's a no-brainer. I've met some darn nice people the last 2 years. And I'm talking outside of my city, okay? I know everyone in Salt Lake, and everyone pretty much knows me because I've been in radio and I've owned a bunch of nightclubs. But it's so nice to meet people that have no idea my background, and they live 6,000 miles away. That's exciting, okay? Will I ever meet those folks? Probably not. But it's nice they check in. How you doing? How's your family? Hey, what do you think of this? And is there a way to do this where I can get more sign-ups? And I go, well, yeah, just burp during your video, pick your nose and put it in your ear, then take it out of your ear and put it under your arm. And that's the secret to my success. And they're like, oh man, why did I even get a hold of that dude? But anyway, be yourself, guys. With this video, I just want to show you you can be comfortable on camera. If you don't know what you're saying, if you drop a pen, if you lose track of what you're talking about, if you don't like your voice, I get it. If you think you look fat or you look tired or you're just not into yourself on camera, then just relax. All I can just tell you is that video really does give you one hell of an advantage. It just does. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. If I do a video and if I do like some type of, people email me and I return a message to them, maybe in the inbox of Facebook, or if I do, I don't know, maybe a video, I guess, is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right. My best success is Facebook because I just think it's awesome. And they're all awesome. Everything's awesome, but I just like Facebook. I've been with it the longest. That's probably why. Comfort in knowing it pretty well, but I'm comfortable just talking because right now I'm just by myself. I don't have someone behind the camera. I don't need a little studio audience where it's easier for me to talk like I'm doing a Zoom or a webinar. Okay. Sometimes when people are in the room, like real people, oh God, it's like, do I have to have real people around all day? Can't I just talk on my webcam and just answer messages and go to the bathroom when I want? I just had a sandwich. I was hungry. Right now it's still kind of morning going into noon. And I just made myself a sandwich. I ate it literally right before, and then I had to check my teeth. Because do you ever eat sandwiches and a piece of the bread's in your teeth, and you're sitting there talking and smiling for an hour, and then you get in your car and you look in the rearview mirror and you're like, oh my God, there's like a nougat and a piece of, I don't know, peanut butter or something in your teeth with bread. And so, but it is nice doing this business. All right. Save Club. It's something that you need to look into. Like I said, I'm not a high pressure guy, but I really think that you need to join now. Okay. It's Cinco de Mayo, 5/5 of 25. In 25 days, this company, in their mind, the pre-launch is done. And it's like, okay, let's get millions of opportunities around the world to save you money. Let's spread the word through advertising to where it's not my advertising. There's going to be a lot of other people advertising about Save Club. And that's okay. And I firmly believe this. I'm just being honest. If 100 people sign up to promote and be an affiliate for Save Club, I know only 5 out of 100 are going to do what I'm going to do. And if you want to be those 95 that kind of drift off and lose interest, you're still going to save money. All right? Just don't throw away the fact that if you spend that $19.97 a month, you're probably going to save 50 to 100. I saved way more than that. And guys, it's just not a gimmick. I don't go out of my way to buy something because it's saving me money through Save Club. All right? I don't need to do that. I'm too old to do that. I'm almost 60. And plus, I've made money. I'm lucky enough to have a pretty good chunk of money to go shop pretty much anywhere right now and not have to really worry about it. Okay, but a lot of people do. And boy, if you're already buying, let's say 5 things, boom, and somehow they're already in the hopper with Save Club, you'd be crazy not to do that. But it's up to you. I know some people, 1 month they'll use their Save Club app and really save money, and then another month or two they'll forget they even owned it. And then they'll go, God, why did I just piss away that 50 to 100 bucks I could have saved? Well, maybe you're hiking, biking, you're doing things, you're going to Disneyland, taking a flight, you're taking Lyft to get there. All these companies I just named, they're all in Save Club. But I can see where people might forget, and that's okay. But just keep, paying your membership of $19.97 a month. Save Club's not going anywhere except through the roof. And I think that when you get addicted to saving money, it's just going to be natural. You're going to buy the same things every month and you're always going to have your phone around. These are addicting. Who doesn't have their cell phone? They sleep with it? I do. It's always with me somewhere charging. It's in my car. Even when I go number 1 or 2, I'm usually like going like this trying to aim. And then when I'm just sitting there like this. And I sit and screw off for 20 minutes. Even though I'm done, I get up and I have a ring around my ass from the toilet seat for like 6 hours. So thank God I'm not a Chippendale dancer. I could have my little G-string on there dancing in Vegas for the ladies. And they're like, hey, do you got Save Club? Because it looks like you're sitting on the toilet like for way more than you should. And you got a ring around your ass. Save Club. And I'm like, hope I can make some money in my G-string now, even with my ring around my ass. But I think it's addicting. It's addicting to save money. But it's very addicting to spend money that you save, isn't it? It's fun. Obviously, I'm at Toys R Us type stores, Barbie dolls to eBay, Kiss. Oh my God, I can't even imagine. If I showed you this radio station I'm at, do you realize the other day I have 51 walls decorated exactly how it looks like this, except just with different things from different eras, posters, rock, crazy stuff. I mean, I love trinkets, and this has taken me, lots of years to collect all this stuff. But I was always able to just have more than I needed to break even. My house payment, my kids all were taken care of. If I had a car, it had gas and tires and insurance and all that other stuff. All right, so if I have extra money, it's pretty obvious that I'm probably on eBay buying dolls or Kiss stuff, okay? But I want you to definitely be in that category too. Because when you have more money, oh my God, you can start saving it each month and spending it how you should. Friends, family, yourself, buy a new eyeball if you need one. All right, buy a chain. All right, upgrade maybe your tires on your car, or your kids need better clothes, or they want to go to tennis lessons or camp or cheerleading academy, or you just want to build a deck on the back of your house Just a nice big one where you can put a patio chairs and umbrellas and have like a barbecue. And there's so much stuff out there that's fun. Don't be anti and negative and, oh God, we're going to have tariffs and the economy and blah, blah, blah. If you're watching TV all the time, that's one of the biggest problems. The money out there is already printed. There's billions and trillions. There's so much money on planet Earth. It can't be counted at this point. It just can't. Just in America alone, it's crazy wealth here. You just got to figure out how can you sell something or present something to somebody, you or me, in order to buy. Is it of value? Is this $6 shirt worth it at Walmart? God, it really is. They're good quality. They're soft. I love them. I got so many of them I can't count at this point. Is the opportunity of Save Club worth it? Well, just look into it, guys. Okay? I'll go ahead and end my little 15-minute session. I can't even say session. Can you say session? Or she-shores by the seashore. Okay? All right. Well, this is how to look into it, guys, and I'll let you go. Just go to ilovesaveclub.com. All right, just do it. All right, click. All right, I want you to put your name and information right there. Okay, and then click that orange button. Boom. Watch Charles Mao. All right, he's our founder. He's going to take you on a little journey and get to know him too. He's a good guy. I think he lives in Vegas. He's always in Las Vegas. And that's my second home. Okay, so what do? ilovesaveclub.com. Go to this page. Watch the little video. Put the information in. All right, and hit that orange button, okay? And let's start this process. But seriously, guys, as I end this video, I need you to think about signing up now. It's got to be before June 1st. Please don't wait. Your chances of really doing well, doing the same effort, because if you join after June 1st, you're going to do the same effort as right now. But why not get a 25-day head start? Pre-launch. Oh, man, it's like being the first to the chocolate pudding, the fresh pie, or the fresh ribs, and I don't know, whatever you like to eat. It's like being first in line, and you got the freshest of the fresh and just unlimited amounts of yum, okay? That's how I look at this pre-launch, okay? All right, guys. 17 minutes and 1 second. Peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me on Facebook, too, on the inbox, and then just simply Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me anytime, guys. Okay, peace and love, man. Talk to you guys next video, okay? And thanks again for your time. Okay, bye, guys.